Is anti-foam good to use in hot tubs, or is it okay to use this defoamer in your hot tub? And the truth is that that defoamer that you see on the store shelves is really something that's treating the symptom. It's not treating the source of the problem. If you have too much foam in your hot tub, there's a few different reasons. Most likely you have a high total dissolved solid level, or there's just too much stuff in your hot tub. Your hot tub water is old, is another way that you could say that, and you need to drain and refill your hot tub. Another common reason why you'd have a lot of foam in your hot tub would be there's oils. I mean, every time you get into your hot tub, you sweat because it's really hot. And if you had any makeups or hair products on or anything like that, well, that's all going to end up in the hot tub too. And all these things kind of tend to float, and these impurities churn around in this giant washing machine here. And as a result, you end up with a bunch of foam. So that's a really common thing, is you could have a lot of oils in the hot tub. And there's kind of two main things that you do about that. One is you can buy something that floats around, like it looks like a sponge, and its job is to just absorb some of these oils which develop in your hot tub and float around on the water. So that's a good idea. I kind of recommend all hot tubs have something like that. And the other thing that you can do is you can clean your filters more often. And I'd say that's probably the number one cause that of foam in hot tubs that people don't really attribute properly. They don't realize that it's not just a normal function of the hot tub. It's because the filters are extra dirty. A lot of hot tub owners will take a dirty filter out and they'll just hose it off. Just spray it with a garden hose and put it back in. And that doesn't really do anything. Like, it'll remove some skin and hair perhaps, but not much more than that. And it's the oils that are saturating the paper of the filter. That's the problem. And if you're not using a degreaser of some kind to break down those oils and remove them from your filter, well, then that's probably the source of the foam that you're having in your hot tub. And that would be a much better solution to address than using an anti-foam product that's only treating the symptoms. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.